Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video and I received a unit from Mshair.com and I'm just going to show you guys what the unit looks like. But before I get started, you guys, I hope you guys who are watching right now, you have subscribed to my channel. Like, please do join the family, you guys. Like, it is absolutely free, and also make sure you thumbs up this video if you like this video. So yeah, just stay tuned. So this is the unit I received from Mshair.com. This is their Yaki texture and it is 18 inches, more like a blowout kind of look, like natural hair blowout kind of look. So I wanted to try their unit. So it comes with 4 combs, like you can see right here. Comes pre-plugged as well, so you see the baby hairs are here as well. So the texture looks absolutely amazing. I'm not sure if you can actually see that on camera, you guys. It looks so good. It feels so light, but I actually like the way it looks. I'm just gonna go ahead and try this on. It also comes with adjustable strips, so let me put this on, you guys, and see how it looks. This is what the unit looks like straight from the box, and it looks big. Like, look at that, it's got like lots of volume to it. I'm just gonna go ahead and trim off the excess lace, you guys, and see how it goes. But these baby hairs are super duper long. I will have to definitely go ahead and pluck a little bit more, and I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, clip the rest of the hair away. Like, these baby hairs are super duper long, just going in my eyes. Oh god. So this is what the unit looks like after I've trimmed off the excess lace. So as you can see, guys, it requires a lot of plucking. Yeah, it does require a lot of plucking. It's giving me a square, straight shaped kind of hairline, which looks hilarious. Like, it looks funny. Like, it looks like a wig. It is a wig, but it shouldn't look like this. So I need to go ahead and pluck a little bit more. I'll try my best to pluck what I can right now. You can actually go ahead and do this on a mannequin head, which is super easy and saves you a lot of time. So I'm sure you guys can see the difference already. Like, I only plugged this area. You can see the difference on the sides. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and work with this. Like, I'm gonna have a side part anyways. Okay, so one thing that I realized is that the parting space is not that much. So this is my side part and this is like up to here. That's all the parting space I have. And let's see in the middle. So in the middle it is almost the same. So this is how much padding space it has. It doesn't give you much like freedom on the padding space, you know what I'm saying? Like, I love my padding space to be, you know, longer and, you know, to give me that nice natural looking kind of pattern. So something like this. I love the quality. Like, it is like a lot of hair. So right now the shading that I'm getting is obviously because I've plugged the front. Like I said, guys, I don't have much padding space anyway, but you know, you just have to deal with what you have. So for now, this is all the padding space I have. Like you can see the cap from somewhere here, but you know, you gotta deal with what you have at that moment. You need to do what's going on, okay? So this is what the unit looks like after I finished installing it. If you want an affordable unit, you guys, you better visit Mshair.com. I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below. Texture feels amazing, but it feels a little bit too thin, if you know what I'm saying, like compared to other textures. It does look big, like you see right here. It has so much volume, which is something that I will definitely be looking for if I'm looking for a unit. It looks absolutely amazing, like you guys. It imitates a kinky blowout kind of texture on natural hair. I love the way it feels. I did not experience a lot of shading with this unit. The shading is very minimal. Yes guys, this unit is giving me so much life. Yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, you guys. If you like this unit, let me know, you guys, and make sure you thumbs up this video if you really like this video. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Also comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.